Picture this. An enemy aircraft switches on its radar. It scans the sky. Nothing. But 30 miles away, an F-22 Raptor is already locked on. It already knows exactly what that jet is, where it's going, and how to destroy it before that pilot ever sees a threat. That's not science fiction. That's what the United States Air Force is spending $7.8 billion to make even more terrifying. The F-22 Raptor has been the undisputed king of the sky since it entered service. Supercruise, thrust vectoring, stealth so advanced it can walk into a radar screen and leave no footprint. But here's the thing. The airframe is old. The avionics date back to the 1990s. And adversaries like China's J-20 have been catching up fast. So the Air Force made a decision. Don't retire the Raptor, rebuild it. What's coming is being called, informally, the F-22 Super. And once you hear what it's getting, you'll understand why. First up, and this is a big one, the F-22 is finally getting infrared search and track sensors, or IRST. For years, the Raptor had one vulnerability. It relied almost entirely on radar to find targets. Radar is powerful, but it broadcasts your position. Any enemy with a decent receiver knows exactly where you are the moment you ping them. IRST changes that completely. These new underwing pods, confirmed in the FY 2026 Air Force budget, use heat to detect targets, passively, silently. No radar beam, no signal, no warning. The Raptor just watches. The Air Force has already ordered 30 of these pods, with the first deliveries expected by mid-2028. And combined with a brand new infrared defensive system that wraps around the entire aircraft, the F-22 will be able to triangulate targets at long range using multiple IR sensors simultaneously, giving pilots what the Air Force calls engagement quality tracks without ever turning on the radar. First look, first shot, first kill. That's the doctrine. And these pods make it real. Next, the sensors are getting a complete overhaul. RTX Raytheon's parent company was awarded a $1 billion contract in August 2024 to upgrade the F-22's sensing hardware. We're talking new Group B hardware that includes enhanced radar electronic protection, a new embedded GPS and inertial navigation system, and upgraded software that dramatically increases radar processing power. On top of that, dynamic synthetic aperture radar upgrades now give pilots high-resolution ground mapping, meaning the Raptor isn't just a sky hunter anymore. It can identify and geolocate ground threats with a precision that was simply not possible before. We're watching the F-22 transform from an air superiority fighter into something much, much broader. Here's something that doesn't get enough attention. F-22 pilots have been flying with 40-year-old helmet technology. No joke, the HGU 55P headgear, which lacks helmet-mounted displays, has been a known weak point for over a decade. That changes now. Pilots are getting the Thales Scorpion helmet-mounted display, the same generation of technology already used on advanced NATO fighters. And the cockpit software is being completely modernized under a platform called Grace Government Reference Architecture Compute Environment, which allows non-traditional software to be installed on the aircraft, opening the door to faster updates, AI integration, and pilot interface improvements that simply weren't possible before. The pilot inside the cockpit is getting just as big an upgrade as the jet itself. And then there's the stealth. The original F-22 was designed to defeat radar, but modern battlefields have multiple ways to find a jet thermal imaging, electronic emissions, even visual detection at close range. The new viability upgrade package explicitly targets multispectral stealth, making the Raptor harder to detect across all sensor types simultaneously. There are confirmed tests of mirror-like coatings on F-22 airframes, still largely classified, that aim to reduce thermal and visual signatures on top of the already near-invisible radar cross-section. The jet that was already nearly invisible is being made even harder to find. So what does all of this add up to? A fighter that can already outmaneuver almost anything in the sky is now getting eyes that see without being seen, a brain that processes the battlefield faster than ever, and skin that disappears across every sensor known to modern warfare. The F-22 Raptor was already a predator. What it's becoming now doesn't have a name yet. If you want to know how the F-22 compares to China's J-20 after these upgrades, that video is next. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the cockpit.